Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, me, and Ian. That's different. We're gonna show you how to shake and stir a vodka martini. There's a video over here for the gin martini, which we did last week. This is going to be 2 vodka martinis, one Bond style, shaken, not stirred, and the other one the right way, stirred, not shaken. The recipe is going to be 2.5 ounces vodka to a half ounce of Dry Vermouth, and that's it. And then a dash of orange bitters, because why not? That's what it called for. And this recipe you can get on liquor.com, which is where you can also get the gin recipe. But if you get this recipe, you can make the same, because the gin and the vodka recipe are identical. The only difference is the label.
I vermouth you.
All right.
I'll let you dash me so that we have the same amount of dashes.
Right.
All right.
You don't want to dash wrong. Oh, look at that beautiful dash.
So now we know.
Consistency.
Yes. And you can get these beautiful Scrappy's bitters, orange bitters, at osrics.com when you buy your bartender starter kit and your mixing glass, so you can do this at home with your friends to prove out what we're saying is true.
We might kill this bottle for you.
No, I don't think so.
We can try.
Close.
These bottles that are all over here, these are pre-killed, post-killed, almost killed bottles.
Yeah, see?
That we just need to finish. I'm getting close on this one. I just been drinking the tequila straight when I play darts.
Like, I'm just gonna take a shot.
No, well, I put it in a lowball glass. I'm
So you're sophisticated. He just said I come over here and take a shot. So
it's a sip of a glass that when it's empty I pour it again, but I always leave it alone so it feels like it's only a little bit.
how long am I stirring this for?
Probably right until he's done.
You can keep going because this is cold right now. I don't know how cold that is.
Well, that's freaking cold.
Oh, it's cold.
That's good.
It's cold.
That's chilly. I'm ready to drink this. This is gonna be tasty. Because you know what I love? I love martinis. You know what I like more than martinis? Vodka.
Vodka. Who doesn't love vodka?
Are we gonna have to do are we doing the blind again?
You
don't think it matters?
I don't know.
No, it's
You want
vodka.
It's probably fine.
You know the mouthfeel's already gonna be different.
Yeah. That kind of gives it away. Well, since you guys are... It smells like water.
Smells like vodka.
I'll be surprised if these are different.
Oh, Jesus. Fuck. I love this.
I should have sat out on this
Well,
one.
you should have used Ocean.
Yeah, but we thought we could kill a bottle.
Gotta see if you can retroactively get Grey Goose to sponsor this after that.
Mm.
That you just made.
Yeah.
It's like... There's only 2 things I hate, and that's one of them is Jose Cuervo, and the second one is vodka. As the whole category. So I don't want to say Grey Goose isn't good. Right. It's just the whole category of vodka is fucking useless.
It's a booster liquor.
Yeah, it's like, I use vodka for pouring into my simple syrup to keep it lasting longer. I use it for bitters. I use it to keep things from
Bloody
going
Marys.
bad.
I get
I
more
don't
of
drink Bloody Marys.
the vermouth in the stirred one than I do in the shaken one.
Yeah,
Other than that, the vodka.
yeah, because the vermouth is probably the shining light of the drink.
Yeah.
And it's shining. That's it.
The mouthfeel is different, but the vermouth stands out more in the stirred.
I find the stirred one a little bit stronger.
This one you can almost say. I feel like you can taste the orange a little bit more.
Oh, yeah.
Take another sip.
This would probably be a lot
Take
better with a
another
little bit of lemon and sugar.
Oh, you bit.
Or gin. Ugh.
So yeah, maybe
It's not bad.
maybe
After all those sounds you guys are making, you can't say it's not bad.
it's just
It's
fun.
almost like it's got lemon in it. It's like I'm having a visual.
Get your lemon gag going on.
Yeah.
Maybe I can taste orange. I don't know. I just get vodka flavor. I don't even really get the vermouth.
Well, try the stirred one.
I'm gonna get it this time because I don't want to try this again.
You know what? It is.
Oh yeah, I get it. Yeah.
I definitely get more of the vermouth because
it stands out.
yeah, it does.
That's true.
It does.
It's like right in the middle.
I didn't get. The
You get
citrus
vodka,
in this, so.
No,
vermouth,
it's definitely like this.
ethanol. I can't believe people drink this on purpose.
Oh,
Do
yeah.
they? How do they fix it?
You know what I'm saying?
The citrus is up front on the shaken one.
Yeah.
But how do you fix this? Like, what's the right? I mean, is this how people drink these
You
things?
give it back.
You use a different alcohol.
No, we really like it. I mean, we're just kidding.
No, the way you fix it is you add your olive brine and you make it dirty. Right?
Yeah,
A dirty vodka martini?
Yeah, I can do that. Well, that's what most of them are.
A lot of them are vodka.
Oh, that's true. That is right.
Because
I'm thinking
unless
like
you're like a vodka fan, this is not your drink, right?
it's just
Because there's no, I don't want to say there's no redeeming quality of it, but there's not as much character in a vodka martini as a gin martini
I think
when
you're
it's
onto
made
something.
like this, right?
Mm.
yeah. Okay, so when you
If you
add
make it with
anything else,
yeah, if you make it with something else, your onions, your
I would rather
Yeah,
put
because that all
onions,
comes out. Yeah.
cocktailing it in there. But like, I don't. It's just by itself. It's so. I mean, it has to be generic for this because it does
Oh,
prove
I
a point.
still
You can
feel it.
taste. There is a difference, but the difference isn't what you think it is. The difference
Right.
is with the stirred one, because it's probably muting down any possible chance of there being any like floral or top notes.
Yeah.
It's like all you're gonna get is the vermouth because that's the only thing. It's reaching out, trying to have a flavor. It's like, wait, I'm in here, and it's not good. Not a fan.
I think it's definitely the vermouth that's like coming out of it.
Yeah, not a fan.
see, I'll take this over mezcal.
No way, really? Like,
I don't like that smell. Well,
I guess it's
We
the
have a
smell.
mezcal drink coming up.
what was the one that we did the interview with? That was a good mezcal. I like that.
Oh yeah, that was really good.
Amigos, Tres Hombres. What the hell was it
No.
called?
It started with a K.
Kimosabi.
Kibosabi.
Yeah, that was good. I will say that was good.
What the fuck, man?
A Blanca,
We're gonna
like
We're
vermouth?
gonna find a mezcal for him. How did you like that one? It was tasted. It was
It
good.
was smooth. I like that it was
What
smooth.
does that even
And
mean?
The
Smooth.
smokiness was somewhat muted
It's
compared
like
to
a
other mezcals.
smooth operator.
Well, I would make a mezcal martini before I would make a vodka martini.
Yes, I know.
I wonder if that's a thing.
You can find out on your own.
So the verdict here
Let me
is,
know.
if you're gonna shake or stir a gin martini, huge difference.
I mean,
In
isn't it
this-
just like drinking it out of rocks?
Yeah.
Right?
This? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this. There is a difference. The stirred one is smoother, silkier, and you get some vermouth. But both of them aren't worth drinking this way. Add some third-party ingredient like olive
for us.
brine, or
I mean, there
Onions.
are vodka fans out there who swear by vodka and they like their vodka.
if there are
Yeah.
if there's a
So not to
vodka
isolate
fan,
you people out there. You people.
you mean
Wow.
that like most
You are.
most people actually drink vodka and we just don't.
I'm a vodka racist.
Yeah, you're,
But if you're that diehard,
you're a spiritist.
if you're that into vodka, then you definitely want to stir it.
Yeah.
I think
I think that's fair.
that would be a fair estimate. I don't just want to do that again. You're gonna drink it again? All right. Sidebar. There's more videos. The video, one of them will be the gin martini version of this.
Yeah, it's got to be the vermouth.
Home bartender kit down below.
Maybe it's
Shit.
better this time.
Well, I try, I want to get better at it. Oh, shit.
We'll teach you how to drink.